All right, I got a 2015 Chrysler 300, and I'm gonna be replacing a headlight bulb, the one that goes right here. So first thing you want to do, pop the hood. There's gonna be a there's gonna be an 8mm screw that goes here. You unloosen it. This breather tube, also 8mm to unloosen it. And this hose that runs to the back of the engine from the breather box. And once you have those unloosed, this breather box comes directly up. And you want to get the breather box out the way. And that gives you access to the back of the headlight so that you're able to get to that bulb. Now this is the cap right here. You're gonna twist it counterclockwise. It's already a little looser. And we're gonna, it's in a pretty tight space. Okay, and that gives us room to this bulb, which you just twist counterclockwise, and it comes directly out. And we can kind of see that it's blowed. It has a glare to it. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, as well as the filament, which looks to be burnt out as well. All right, so we're gonna unplug this, press this clip in the back, while also, you know, trying to get it off. Okay. All right, we have the right bulb. It has the one plastic guide rail. And here we go. And it fits like a glove, so now we're gonna place it back into the headlight housing. Twist it clockwise so you get a nice lock on it. Okay, looks like we're in business. Now we're gonna try to turn this light on. And the light comes on, and it's on.